course, this is a review from the actual tikas of Anantadasri. So he's saying, here's one point. He says, how to chant Sneha Nam, because in the first line it said, Ati Snehat Ucher Api Chahari Nami Namani Grinathas. I'm sitting with Radharani and I'm doing the seva of Nam Sankirtan. And I'm chanting very affectionately with great sneha. So the acharyas explain here in the Tika, Babaji Maharaj, he gives an analogy. What is this sneha? Sneha means love, affection. Because we have Harinam and Nam Sankirtan. What does it mean, Sneha Nam? That means Nam that's full of sneha, or affection. Sweet, fluid, sweet, continuous flow of gentle affection and continuous attachment, sneha. So he says that he gives an analogy of two birds, the Chakati bird and the Chakravaka. All these birds, they all begin with C actually. They're all very extraordinary birds. Chakora, Chataki, Chakora, and Chakravaka. And different Puranic stories explain why this is like this. For example, I can just read what he says, but I'll expand upon it. So these two birds, particularly, not the Chakora is not mentioned here, but this analogy of chanting the holy name for the pleasure of Radharani. How to chant Sneha Harinam? We should chant the holy name of Krishna like a Chatiki bird. So Chatiki is this very unusual type of bird that's referred to in our Shastras, that this bird is a small bird. You can go on Google and type in Chatiki and they show you a picture. Where they are, I don't know. Maybe they're here. I don't know. Small bird, and they drink water like everyone. Every living being drinks water. They only drink water. They fly up in the sky because they don't want to drink the water from the ground. So they only can drink the water when there's a rain cloud in the sky pouring water. So that's probably why we don't see too many of those birds in Vrindavan, because there's not too many rain clouds around here. They're very anxious because of the shortage and the rarity of getting any water or seeing any rain clouds. They're very anxious and eager to see one, because if they don't drink, they will die. So they're crying anxiously, Chatakis anxiously cry out loud for the rain. In other words, if I don't get this water, rainwater, I will die. So Sneha Nam, chanting Sneha Nam means, the Acharya is telling us, like a Chatiki. We should think that if I don't get the taste of this name, if I don't get Nam Ruchi, if I don't experience the taste of this name, like the taste of the rainwater has ras. Ras means liquid, means water, it means taste. Rasoham apsakanteya prabhasmi shashi suryo. Krishna says, I am the taste and water. So the Chatiki bird is flying for the ras, eagerly, anxiously looking and begging and waiting. When? So Sneha Nam means we should chant like that. Part of Sneha Nam is to be anxious to experience Sneha Nam. In other words, be anxious, be eager and anxious, just like the Chatiki, to taste the ras of rain which gives him life. We should be anxious and eager to taste the Nam ras, which gives life to devotion, gives life to bhakti. Because you're just chanting and it's all the time sawdust name,